What's up, you guys? Right now we're working on my car. We're finally getting the headers done. It's my friend Ariel. He's the real MVP. We didn't need no lift or anything. We got the one header out. That's just booty. And we're ready to put one in. You want to shout out your Instagram?
Shit, LS1 Oreo. Nah, just kidding. Yeah.
You don't even remember your thing?
I really don't.
Alright, I'll just put it right here.
You just put it in the description?
I'll put it in the description.
Yeah.
And
hit me up for side jobs.
For side jobs too. He's a mechanic, a really good mechanic. We're doing this really quick. Here's the old headers. The new ones. Cool. What's up, you guys? It's day 2 of header installing. Whew, this is a pain in the butt because this is day 2 already. We finally got the second header on. It's a lot of work. I wouldn't recommend doing this. I mean, if you're broke like me, you gotta do it at your house. But if you got money, just take it to a shop. Spend those extra 500 bucks. It's fine. But I'm gonna show you guys under here. Take out the music, bro. All day. You got one header right there. Yeah, one header right there. And the other one, it's right here. Already connected. Took the stock ones out. I took my intake off. I took the restrictor off because of this, it wouldn't get all air. So that's pretty massive. Look at that. You see? So first it was this one. This was like the intake, and now it's this one. That's a big difference. So that's crazy. That's really crazy. I need to clean my air filter because it was blue and now it's fucking black. But I'm gonna put my intake back while he puts the last bolts on the headers. Yeah. And we should be good. We should be good. So intake is on. Restrictor is off. We're gonna put this in here like what's set. Oh, that's it. Yeah. Like it's set. There you go. Cool. Let's put that up. What's cool? Say something. Say something. Why are you scared?
Shy in front of camera.
I'm shy from the camera. I'm just the guy who's recording, you know what I'm saying? Just because he's not doing anything, he wants to get warm? Yeah, I want to get warm, so I got a camera, you know what I mean?
That's awkward shit on camera, bro.
Do you? They put the camera on you and you be like, pussy. That haircut, though. Look at that haircut.
Like, I don't know what to say, I'll start like laughing.
You start laughing and then you start.
You guys want to see the mechanic? you guys want to see the brains behind all this? Where he at?
See, I'm telling you, bro, I get nervous.
That's the brains, bro. Say what's up, Oreo.
Hey, how's it going, guys?
We can't say his name because he doesn't want to be in. We might blur him from the video, to be honest. It's been like 2 hours.
It's done, bro.
Put it on.
It's done. It's done. We're good.
Cool.
I still can't take that one.
Welcome to another episode of Trippy Edwin.
Hey, it's on. As you can see right now.
Don't forget, that's his shit right there.
My dick.
Excuse me, what you said? We'll blur that out, don't worry.
Hey, can I come out in the video, but like blur my face?
Sorry, what you said?
Like in the porn videos?
Oh, like the casting? You blur the guy's face when you fucking the bitch?
And then you have his voice or like this.
Hey, we ready for a cold start, bro.
Ooh! Course start this bitch. Hey, Trippy, give us an update.
Yeah.
Trippy, can you give us an update for your car, bro?
Yeah. So what did you do to it today, bro? You know, we just put a catback exhaust. Okay, sounds pretty good. Kidding. We just put a
Some Longtube. Long as fuck.
That's what she said.
Hey, do I connect the battery now?
Yeah.
No, güey, se va a prender así apagada.
Se prende solo este Mustang. What size is it?
Hey, are you excited, bro?
Yeah. I'm excited, bro.
Are you excited, yeah?
I am
Hard work pays off, right?
Watch the engine blow. Come on, bro. Oh, I gotta tune it. It'll be quick though.
Fuck, they used to. Damn, bro.
No, it's a little handheld too. You're welcome, Edwin.
Come away.
Ya no hay?
Nigga, we got your 10 tacos.
Cuidado con los perros, porque
See, hey, if anybody wants some headers on their car,
some head?
some headers and head too. Hey, that's a guy right there. That's a guy. That's a guy, bro. Just get him a 12-pack of tacos.
12-pack of tacos.
Not even beer, just a 12-pack of tacos. He'll do the work for you. What's your name, bro? Oreo. Leave it as that.
It's Oreo, bro.
Yeah, Oreo. You can't know his name. What's your name?
The one that looks like a fucking
It takes away to
like a Game Boy Advance. Yeah, one of those.
Damn, your camera don't
Is
like
it
it,
Christmas,
nigga?
you
That
guys?
shit- that shit blurred.
The one that gives you 5 horsepower.
That Damatsu.
The one that gives you 5 horsepower.
The SAT.
About to make me slower.
Yeah, are you excited, sir?
Nah.
Fuck.
Hey, bro, this motherfucker's good.
Yeah. Better than 21st or what? Hey, bro, when you don't need nothing, do it for Lil Mayo out here, you know, representing.
That's my boy.
Free Lil Mayo.
Damn, it might be expensive to whoever did this job.
System fail. Boom.
Put the stock shit back. Oh.
You can't handle this.
Auto destruction in 10.
I thought you seen Edwin, are you sure you want to do this?
Run. Damn, my car niggas right on time.
What the fuck you doing?
Oh, ya te llama la vieja.
Oh, that's my phone there, bro. Put the pure bake tuning.
Performance or race?
Performance, bro.
Which one's faster?
Yeah, which one's faster?
Both of them could beat you, bro.
Ooh.
You need the fastest one, bro.
He's talking shit.
Performance or what? Or race?
Performance or race? I think race has probably got a harder launch.
Yeah, I guess depending on what you want. Did you read the manual?
Nah.
Come on, who you asking to read about
está bien,
reading?
pero bien, güey.
I mean, if you still daily, I would put performance. Still, you wanna gap Henry and still get a good gas mileage?
Put it on race.
Performance.
Oh, my shit is.
Hey, you know what he's gonna tell me right now, bro? Off a roll, bro. Off a roll. I need a race off a roll.
I'm not lying, I need to.
Me too. It's been too much.
Nigga, you automatic? What the fuck you mean?
I'm not tired, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm gonna need a- I'm
I
gonna need a little,
spin,
like-
bro.
A little, like at least 20 roll. My shit's gonna be spinning the whole way.
Oh, no wonder.
I know that. I don't even know what to do. I was gonna ask, but I don't know what to do.
That's like it's like clickbait. It's like, you know, what the first thing they see when
You guys ready? Don't film me, bro.
Come on, bro. You're the star. Oh no, he's the star right here.
Please blur my face.
Blur it. Put like a happy emoji. Change the voice. Or switch his face with mine.
What the fuck? Congratulations, you are gay.
You
Bro,
got
put
gay.
Lil Mayo's face on the mechanic. That would be dope.
Oh yeah.
That's the one?
Download complete. Is this turned off?
Alright, turn this bitch on.
I'm ready for that.
You don't turn it on or what?
Press the clutch. It's a manual, not like a Henry's.
Make sure it's on natural and natural.
Oh shit, hold up. My keys. For real, make sure that shit is neutral. Hold up. Clutch in, start it.
Clutch it.
Woo!
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh fuck. That shit came out on camera.
What did it say? Hey, that could be a clickbait, nigga. That's perfect.
How do you turn it off?
Like completely.
Press
It might be the battery, bro.
No,
You gotta,
turn
like,
it
move
off.
a little bit.
Yeah, you just push the button.
Okay.
Now press the clutch.
Put I'll tell you when to press it.
Hold up. Hold up.
Dale.
Hold on. Hey, hold my signal, bro. What's up, son? I need like a lamp.
Una luz ahí abajo para mecánico.
Watch out, buddy.
Watch out. Watch out.
Too excited.
Ah, hell yeah.
I was too excited. I was. Me había cagado un poquito en el calzón, güey. Nomás para escuchar el.
Hand me a, I think it's a...
What up, bro?
Whoa,
Hey,
whoa,
tell me
whoa.
when you're gonna start and niggas looking like perfect.
Échale, güey.
Get out this shit. Hit it again, bro. Hit it again. Wait.
My girl, you sexy, was that your car? Woo! All the way.
Wake up. Bro, you just woke up your baby, nigga.
Damn. God.
Hey, get ready for the ticket.
What? Why you pointing at me, bro? You still gonna get dog? Just because you got a little bit of noise. Damn. That shit was stupid loud.
That was stupid loud.
Hey, I think once it starts, like, you know, every day it's gonna start settling down, huh?
Bro, hey, you got the bubbles in the back.